Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by creating and signing into your Zotero account online. This centralizes everything. Once done, install the Zotero connector in your browser and grant the necessary permissions so it can detect metadata. Now practice saving. Open an article, click the connector icon, and choose the correct folder. Make sure to name or tag items immediately for retrieval, because early organization prevents later mess. Next, build your structure. Create collections and nested subcollections that mirror your projects or classes. That structure speeds retrieval. Then configure sync, enable autosync for convenience, and pick file syncing options based on your storage limits. After syncing, open saved items in the web library to add notes, tags, and annotations. These enrich searchability. Also, use the Related Items feature to link connected papers, so you can trace sources quickly when writing. Finally, integrate Zotero into writing. Install the Word or Google Docs plugin and insert citations that auto-generate a bibliography. When you need portability, export collections as bibtx, RIS, or Zotero RDF to share with collaborators. To finish, verify sync finished and that attachments are present before finalizing a manuscript. If something goes wrong, sync errors are common. Check your account storage. Ensure the connector and Zotero are up to date, and reauthorize your account. That fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.